I used to wonder, why do some people succeed so fast while others stay stuck for years? They don't have superpowers. They don't have secrets. But they do have something powerful: habits. Today, I will share with you 7 powerful habits that have changed millions of lives around the world. These habits can help you become more confident, more focused, and more successful, no matter who you are or where you live. And yes, we'll learn English through this story too. So sit back, listen carefully, and maybe this will be the video that changes your life. Habit 1. Be proactive. Imagine 2 people standing in the rain. One opens an umbrella. The other just complains. That's the difference between reactive and proactive people. Reactive people say, "It's not my fault. I can't do anything. It's the government, my boss, my family." But proactive people take control. They don't wait for the weather to change. They change their response. Your life is not about what happens to you. It's about how you respond. You can choose your attitude. You can choose your actions. And when you take responsibility, you take back your power. Habit 2. Begin with the end in mind. Think like this. If your life was a movie, what would the ending look like? What do you want people to say about you? That you were kind, brave, strong, a person of purpose. When you know where you're going, you stop wasting time. Every day becomes meaningful. Every action takes you closer to your goal. Don't just live. Design your life. Have a vision. Write it down. And make sure each day moves you closer to that vision. Habit 3. Put first things first. We all get 24 hours. But how we use them makes all the difference. There's a difference between being busy and being productive. Watching 5 videos is not the same as working on your dream. Ask yourself, is this thing I'm doing right now helping me become who I want to be? Successful people don't do more things. They do the right things first. They know what's important and they protect their time. So start every day with this question. What's the one thing I must do today to move forward? Habit 4. Think win-win. Life is not a competition. It's a collaboration. In business, in relationships, in family. When both sides win, everyone grows. Win-win means, I don't have to lose for you to win. And you don't have to lose for me to succeed. Support others. Help people rise, and they will lift you too. Real leaders don't create followers. They create more leaders. Habit 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Most people don't listen to understand. They listen to reply. But powerful communication begins with empathy. Before you speak, listen. Before you advise, ask. Before you argue, understand. The best relationships are built not with words, but with listening. People feel safe when they feel heard. So next time someone talks, put down your phone. Look in their eyes and listen like you really care. Because that's how trust is built. Habit 6. Synergize. You are smart, but together we are smarter. Synergy means 1 plus 1 is equal to 11. When people bring their different strengths together, they create something better than anyone could do alone. Respect differences. Work with others. Don't fear teamwork, use it. No one climbs the mountain alone. Even the strongest leaders have teams. Habit 7. Sharpen the saw. If you cut a tree with a dull blade, it takes hours. But if you take 10 minutes to sharpen the blade, you save your energy. In life, your body, mind, and soul are your tools. Take care of them. Rest. Read. Exercise. Pray. Spend time with people who make you better. Success is not about working until you break. It's about growing so you never stop. Conclusion. These 7 habits may sound simple, but they are not easy. They require practice. They require patience. They require belief in yourself, even when no one else believes. But here's the truth. Small habits shape great lives. So ask yourself today, which habit will I start with? Maybe just one. Start small, but start today. Because your future is not written by luck. It's written by your habits. If this story touched your heart and gave you something to think about, like, share, and subscribe to True's English Emotional Stories. Let's grow together.